Wetia! Part 1, 2, and 3.
Ajiman, so person why? My very more papa. Shut up!
Look at your hands. That has a blood coins, the hands brutal.
Wetia! Part 1, 2, and 3.
Look at it. Put your hands to him.
You be your kokotia, na ne to ka ne bode.
Obi ma pope should be here. A scholarship perform. Ya de economy mo de anya papa.
Wetia! Part 1, 2, and 3.
Some of na ke kan be
You Romatadi, kwa me life to send my Romatadi. You may pause what team. I say my Majuso.
There's some okay when you call him. A come with him. A come with him. The better catch us. What's it? My baby, but
Spirit!
and I tell you, come on for your day. Then forget it. Dia koron kwa otime rezu nine na nua ba ma odin be ma show
Ono.
Say me yade e kaso sebe amanabo. If the high sum any track so ya higher open when it your musum sum
Spirit! Evil spirit! Open ventures for gates!
I said I can present in the house.
and your bad why are you?
That's right.
And the year me pay.
That's right.
Yeah. Because I'm in Parliament.
On said, as we in the Zekuran, me name don't be with a chow, but on one condition. Mr. Assassin is free of charge for Assassin.
So in one condition, can you meet me there?
I mean,
I send them a customer in Parliament at the year.
That's right. Over to me. Say be kwa bonti for the name refi. All my ba Francis.
O firstborn.
Francis. The born master degree or US. I catch you say da. Da Assassin ba ne baba bi Sicilia. Be say me ware no. Na so aka say amate. Be na dey say fie no fie. This Assassin bra no. Me dey chow fa.
Next condition is men so be from Banama.
That's it.
You can say sada na me kan dia. Me ni problem. Me kin barbe but remember not number one. That's if you say, Sabe, it's a train track phone car. You can see for my family.
You are a good friend.
You too.
You're a good friend.
You're a good friend.
You're a good friend. I'm going to go celebrate it. My one is if you're going to go DNA. As I say,
but no man,
Mr. Fassassin, and you never be personal. It is yours. Obi Ababi and was a landlord assassin. Wodia. And then it's started develop. That's right.
Remember Syria, the kind of you how the camera challenge.
Come for the purpose. You're welcome. As I don't know. Oh, Dio.
Who are from myself?
What I think. Aye. We will tell them, say, 82. But Oban who don't. As a corner for. Beautiful. Oh, fine. As I say,
I'm going to say, yes. And you made
them quite simple. I'm sure Michelle Booby.
Yes.
Concerning assassin, I'm missing the mountain. Maybe I'm said, Debbie. Michelle Bois, said, me to me, the sort of family and some family to Charanfa. Tell us about one now, pushing a Michelle. The boy now we say, second, tell the boys and the young lady, we serious. By assassin, people say, oh, in here.
Would you wait in the prep?
Sad plan location, Bibia, or Pibia, and Dencha Bibia. All the best for my son.
You tell say, come to me. I will never disappoint you.
That's it. That's it.
Do I know why more? Now, the no can ya into the assassin, meaning say, you will free mu, or demon or some. This assassin, mammy. I didn't crack in the mamma. The idea of one to be your cancel pedal. We shall both say,
Putoka say life is full of uncertainties. So we've been imagining ourselves. And we don't know when man will die. Tinam say, what the answer Bosha said, say whether I live or die. Your man and Kawani in this come and your fed. See, young ones want to miss you, Muso. And I trust you say you'll be a good friend to the end.
Come to you. I will never feel it because the way I was sure.
Thank you. Wait a minute, hombre. I'm going to go. Oh, I do. Oh, now one banana.
Bye-bye, why? You are welcome, my Queen Shiva. You are welcome, my Queen Shiva.
What to say?
I
didn't have my mouth.
Queen Shiva. You to me, I'm a castle being can be. I send beer no be bedino. So Massimo do. Massimo you do. You pay me deep.
And no anything about her. So when you met me, we are Bema Kukudu. You crown and your Pumakake. Why would someone who told me a woman? Send me here. Sabeka. I prepare also him and a frame. Ameba. If you ask to me now, I can tell you something here. Qua? Don't you show us, Saka? Qua?
Thank you, my Queen Shiva. Thank you, Queen Shiva. I will worship you day and night until I die. Long live Queen Shiva. Long live Ghana. Long live Asasiaban. I love you, Nana. Because of you, proud. Very, very proud. And I will be proud until I'll die. Thank you.
You are welcome. Sorry, go. You will pay on Saka.
Last week, one was sorry. And then so I would have soda.
I try to make up.
Shall we be yo? Shall we be a man? Shall we be yo? You.
Me out to see. Then now you bear next week. I meant to make a church in your to make them back up one time. I'm missing with that. Ma, pacho me chiamo.
Yeah, moja.
Pacho, mwana moye ejuma sansi su.
Pacho.
Pacho, mwana ida sansi na mama.
Ya mama ne tomai.
Mama me to sansi na mama.
Pacho.
Mama me to sansi na mama. Pacho, asasi mo ba ya foundation so mu huye. Na mo so be to amna so mama me asasi. Ah, my sisi pile se me adia plan me beto me fonso di si dana. Ma twen no. Obi dia asasi na be what to foundation so asasi na mo dia.
Ya mama ne discover na ye tu sa foundation yo. Ana wa ira.
Ah, mo asasi no krata.
Pacho.
Me masasi no.
Hwɛ o ka se pinti asase da hɔ kwa on.
Hwɛ no antia me. Ne metimi a obo mienu. Mumanya na mfia duonu mienu anasa mfia duonu fansa duonu.
O ba na ye bu pa san so ye panyina obetimi awo ya me akroso. By the way na nye emwa. Me hwɛ wa ira eni ka na wo ba.
Kacha se me kwasia emume.
Ye ni watem.
Kacha se ma jimi. Kacha me pe me tutum se ma jimi. Mo kacha nseme. Ne se mo posase a pinti asase na okwa. Me ye fama asase ba nyesa mama mo posase na afa sanda. Me dunya ko ata we. De se mo pe bi ehun so mo hu. De se mo se asase ye mo dia mo fa. De se mo tu e fa duma.
Fa san sa ye dia me na ba bi a wo kono wa ira. Ko na ko hwɛ.
Yo. Mo pe bi ehun asase so mo hu.
Ko na wa ira nye ha ya.
Me ma ira.
Wa ira.
Muni matem. Se mo so Muhammad dia. Mo be sida ma.
Papa ja sa manya me yanka to wu.
Muni ni ba muni dia kro no. Na wo ani pa yo be bu kwase se mo tu bu kwase ya. Eni pa yo bu kwase mo asku mu mai. Mo tu fa ma sase.
Ah kai kra ya.
Se akobi chodo.
Ya hu ni e che.
Akobi chodo. Mo fa ma sase. Di ma wu.
Ya wo ye na papa da ya.
Ake.
Hey,
Na we kra den.
hey, na ofin.
Ya ni o ye. So me ka so nye papa. Wa ira o.
Na shoko.
Friends of friend,
last week, you know, my friend me.
Ah, okay.
And I'm in a canyon man as I'm not able to into your cat on Friday.
Many make a friend me. Now, previously, so friend me didn't go because I'm not worried. I'm not worried. So I was considering Sasia Bag Sissy.
Daddy. Because what do someone is what as well?
I'm still in the spirit.
What
do you want?
Daddy, on a more serious note, I think she's the best choice.
That's right.
Character-wise,
that's right.
Perfect. But Miss your mom and Pina means Eddie and Come.
And I'm when it comes to marriage, it's all about prophecy. You understand what I mean? My most simple analogy in the Bible, yeah. Bible says go pon say e dise nipa nko ata no ball back no ball ba na wie no when e to the end na afre Adam ka Nyankopon so ba na ball no e ka me ho na kwese ade so he was blaming God. So the Bible says who finds a wife finds a good thing. You have to go and look for your wife. And then to yanchen be about, you not blame God.
Daddy, as someone can one can.
I don't know.
Tell me coffee Evander by house for my
Evander. Now Ube ma obi oka yomo. We are sanko kan ko mo bamfia. I refuse in Jesus name. Okay na ya bam carry the nafa bi brem.
But today the bus is here. Never way you book ni bro. Okay.
Sweetheart, more worry pilot as Evander.
Yeah, Asasia fine. Asasi, baby, yeah. Sikani bredo wafanti. Asasi, odokodi odowo. Yeah, Asasia fine. Asasi, baby, yeah. Sikani bredo wafanti. Asasi, odokodi odowo.
This one is big. Really big. Pato mama ha. Pato, mona moye dan won dwuma. Pato, one trans system. Me to free papelu ho. Papelu. Pato, ene wato asase boni. Asase de memedia. This service for you. Yes. Memedia. Many of them asase aban, masase ni. Nem tu kwan bia boso mi ensani. Ene se me ba obi obo nguko bu edi asisi. Na pa ba be sesi ada isu ebi ni we. Pacho e basasia me so mukata wo he asase mukata wo he mukuta fake documents e bi ni we ti me pam chow e kurato aka onye munyi ajani fi asase wo bodam minyi e dan no fi asase so me na dia ba no bo me no me bo ye wan se minyi e dan fi asase so what do you mean asase me masase so asase asase no me to fi papelu enyo wasase wo bodam we asase ma we hwan we mu wasam we be wo wasum hey what amemre wo mu ni pa wo so mu ni pa wo mu ni pa wo so mu ni pa wo so mu ni pa wo be get out wo bodam samjai wo bodam get out wo bodam samjai amemre wo to show you now me say wo bra wi ase wo bu see to die e fesa so pen me asa na make a chama muntu asa muntu da no fesa ya tiri na tiri china ya tiri na e tiri china yo pe bia fa ye me tese me tese enyo bia mo na muntu do mo ana ko na muntu do ana na wo so bua masase wo wasase ya asase bro ha asase no wo no fa ya fesa so asase no wo podam adia baby up baby up fa ko nipa na woni mi yawa mo yeah mo Wonim ye. Money, and somebody got double. What was doing? One day. What was you? What a chimpanzee, and somebody them double. When the papa made him cushion said, what would be on the danda? Oh, put them. Oh, what be on the danda? What put them? So I will not poop power what it. So I will not poop woman. Why will you not miss woman upon you in our yard? Me, I want up. You never just sing me, but come with the chewing so shaking. What's something you got? Master, Mumpa was about Monsieur Bouy than in Festus. What put them on me? Wow, so I'm more someone. They put you say you've been chewing so mad. You never got about one. What? I'm for this is what we for. I'm when you want to drink no more. I got to make a dance. We don't to make a dance. What to make a dance? We are not poor. What? Remember, say, make some men. It's my son. We are some we are one. 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 One time. One time. Cut that down over pockets. What are you saying? Munni ba mun ne kasa. Na wanda mun for so ma. Bi tu kwa mun ga bace. Bi tu kwa mun ga bace. Ba ne ba. Ti ba ti ba. Ma mo bi ti bi. Apa si da ko. Sa ko ka no. Ai tu pa da ba wan ta be pa da ma no. Ta ka mu. Bi tu kwa ba na bu tu ni sa ba. Ma mo bi ba ti da na fluo. Kwa sa na kwa. Bu kwa bi na ba fa. Sa kwa ni wai. Sa kwa ni wai. Mo bau ka ba fa bau ka ba fa so ai na bo a ti afa na da na afa na bo da na mo ka na fa la Queen Shiva.
Assassin.
Nana, Queen Shiva.
Adi asembio.
Yonko bi edi me ho ani chie. Enna na wa ho odi a wode boa me. Acha me nsase. Nana, nipa bi afa. Wodi kwa ba so wodi nsase ne fe nsa. Nana, eso boa me. Sewada. Na me saka masase. Entina na me bae.
Assassin wo house. And renting now by. Sorry, what? The be able to do super on about your friend and a member. What? Sorry.
Sasa nyamudia na nyade me jama mo etimu nyimu dan mfi so mfi asase so nko moto asase bone anyimo sase a wo podam hwa asase no ye mfi so ne mfi so china ye kan wote ase me ma bodam ai me ma bodam podam mo mfi so cha me dan wase me asase aba me dan wase me asase no chamo mo fa ya fa na me chamo where the power lies. I'll show you where the power lies. Now, to me, Mary, you can to me to me. Mufasa, Yafa. Me catch out. Can 1 2 9 and yes, never. I'll show you where the power lies. To me, Banao. What to me, Banao? To me, who to me, Banao? To me, Banao. I'm more pies up on pop. Who can't get what them? Who can't get what pies up on pop? I'm catch it all. I'm more pie. Me me pass up pompo. Me me papa pompo. Me do ase. Ache. Na shomo. Ache. Na shomo. Sabra have you. Wait my fuck. Nani akana wa obede wa
here me bodia fiako. Fiako ma bodia. Fiako ma bodia. Fiako ma bodia. Fiako me bodia. Don't say quanto look at all I what Fiaco is me bodia. Fiaco.
Gangster greeting.
Na okwe de okushie.
Oh, that be. Just na say wa ka say be for home like what just say. You get me?
Anyway, na most of them akwaba. Ebi saka ja bibi na pamu amele ma pe bi de wasie.
Oh, that be. So msabo chabra de easy.
That's what.
Connie and National Tony Munini film. Last time I take crap, some of them can't. Okay. Actually, me bad down and then Neponi. We see me in that map. And it's not a pen man. When you're in a geometry.
Yes, you was like a
okay, so what's the meaning I'm settled down?
That's right.
Me buy ya. Then Bibia and Titi man say. Open on me different common.
That's right.
Yeah, and anytime I buy, so like, I'm sure I say, my bed to be a call.
That's right. You're welcome. So, I'll put everything in place now. So, when you may, if I say, oh, my name is Kasi Ushakwana Kudia, I go for you. Tom, you're not Tom Button.
Mr. Assassi, yeah, I said, me.
Yeah.
Also, you're for Betchiarin.
I'm a Cecilia. Oh, to be some nice girl. Yeah, the baby work with one of the friends over.
Cecilia.
And you're sorry, sir, no, so buy men to me and your tammy in common. Vice, could be offices be working that. In the coy. Yeah. As usual, you know. Hey, my son. It's a remain never call. I'm not going for my introduction. Why? That's right.
Okay, it's like
oh, put on some simple shorts and clothes. You know, need money is there. You don't have any problem. I believe in surprises.
That's better.
You're welcome.
You're new here. And you read.
You be you.
Damanenko.
By incredible, the better 3 months ago, many wish ya kuma bobi. Then maybe credit kura. I'm sir about Francis. And Revia, bear 12 o'clock no be do ya, but then no the bad person to bar procacra. So bad daddy, I want to see my fiancé and take your time. Beautiful as you brands and right here. So Pento wanted off for another 2 words in terms of And then I konya basi bana. Yeah, my surprise visit. I present to you your son-in-law to be. Sam Francis.
Oh, Francis. It's the Sass. Yes. Man, I'm not a doctor. Very Syria. Oh, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is American gangster. I just realized that Ghanaians don't like the way we dress. Yeah. So I'll try as much as possible to put on as gentle.
No problem. I like it. You are very nice. You have a very portable way.
Oh, really?
This is portable. I like it.
Oh, okay.
I like it. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Have you sit back?
As I say, my professor, I'm confused.
When you have a more, I have a call. Yeah, you may have a Roma. Me bay. Yeah, and you may be beauty. Madame Roma. It is will be able to call them one of me now. And then it's out of me, I'm a task.
That's right.
They are in receive room.
That's right. That's right.
We didn't come here.
That's right.
A sacoda.
That's right.
It will be most by a hard year, but it be in here. Now, Syria, which I can't fancy once much of pain. The attention, we didn't command us. And now, you bench is any wow on your uncle.
Yeah, Julie.
The attention say, and come on, nobody. Nobody won't come up for Francis. Into a tree, you don't see the busy Akanafa. Why?
Hey! You are a good friend.
Oh, which you are the same good friend.
Same war and the four people telecast reading America.
Now, overall, how is it? Oh, okay. Gorgeous anyway.
Thank you very much.
Actually, I'm here to take you out since we've not got a chance to sit down and talk to each other, have fun, and get to know each other. That's why I'm here. You can go in my car.
Excuse me? Are you talking to me or there's someone around you talking to?
Well, it's just you and I here.
Come on, listen. I'm going somewhere very important. Just excuse me.
Can't you reschedule this? Come on.
Oh my goodness. Listen, I don't have your time. Okay?
You see, just go with me. When we go out, you just tend to like me, get to know me more. Come on, we're meant to be together. Just let me take you out, okay?
Listen. There is no way I am going to love you. Just get it. It won't work. Okay?
Cecilia, it seems you're getting something wrong here. Papa may always say, it's all because of you. So, I think that when we go out, you like me and you get to know me more. Come on. And we are meant to be together.
Oh my days! Are you not the burger?
Of course, why not?
Are you the European burger or US burger?
US burger it is.
I'm so disappointed in you. Obi outia brochiri. Civilization aba bebe obi outia brochiri unim say nemrem yempi oba ama be mebi munim. You don't know. Come on, you should know better. Listen. I am not going to love you today or tomorrow. My father can never ever force me to marry you. It won't work. Now excuse me.
Look, Cecilia, just give me the chance, okay? Hey, I'll give you some time.
Listen to me. Even if you give me 5 years or 10 years, I will never ever accept you in my life. I don't need you. Get out! Get off my way. Get out!
Cecilia, I'm the best guy for you.
I said get off my way. Get off my way.
Come on, look.
What's on the moon? Come meet you.
Mr. Sase, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Would you believe that me try to get $3,000? Na me mpa ye kum. Na onim papa nko apam say o de papa na e me ware no. Na me fefie me to car and do remember me fie ni ma say. Me buy baba ka tell say opie. Just onim ka say rough. I ka tell say me man 5 years, 10 years cry na dey pay me.
Francis, in fact.
C'est très...
Oh, gala. Oba tu ga gabela usu. Me ne ma mitimi dire ki san. E wi etie na me bunu ya na mkuta do ma imagine me bunu ya. Me so me no operator. Me bunu ya.
Fine. Me gangster. Me pa handa tse ma djuma koma.
Sisi. Sisi, na butu. Minim say enye easy. Me oba me te wase. But who say ebi ase obi nim baby a obi mu abi free aba. Ebi ana make us say cry people are destined to be together. Oh, kakra. Monsieur. Oba wo de te woni ma no. Me oba me te wase. Enough. What them say Jonas? And you're right, but unim de na me ahihye. But kakra. Love ne beba. See, I'm a brother. 3 days ni. Unele kasakra. Or you absent-minded. You won't believe it. At times, menene kasakra ubo udin. Oh, I'm worried. And for instance, my brother di Neoma. If I said ositi wa away. Na me raho. It is sweetheart, miss you. Julie. It won't work between the two of us.
Look, Cecilia, please. What is it? Tell me, what do you want? I'm ready to buy you anything. Let me buy your love. What is it? Car. I'll take you to America. This is catch me. Please, sister, tell her something for me. Sister, please.
Sisi matutu mina ya bahe ni na wunti. It's true. Minim say easy, but ayan kakran kakra. Odo ba mi short when him tryna say that at least me nu anu so obetimi ejuna ne ho so kakra.
In fact, I'm so gibberish-ted. Very gibberish-ted.
I'll come home.
Sure? Really?
Thank you. So do you to me why? The reason why I'm buy I want Francis and Sensamia. I'm so last week na me buy and I'll castle be back. That Matana our woman. And so I don't have your time. To me buy the team why final.
Already me sorry say me to me am Buffy, but Sisi I send any macron Danny who will paint I'll come home.
It's a lie. What do you think us for? Do you think I have your time? Do you know how much we're paying for you? Francis. Look, baby.
Francis.
Do you know how much we're paying?
Francis. There is a serious agreement between your father and our father. So you better make up your mind on getting married to Francis.
What? Listen, whatever you guys are saying is a lie.
What? It's a lie?
You mean my father exchanged me for some mere agreement?
You better stop pretending. Look, do you know how much Barry is paying for you? We're paying for almost 3 years.
Oh, who the hell is pretending here?
Look,
Francis. Look. This is a lady to a lady to. Take it easy. So let me tell you something. Whether you like it or not, you will marry Francis. The earlier the better. My brother only time.
Listen.
After all, that when you're back, Ghana for Mamu you too. Oh, man, who's one I and your man never says, Massa,
you know what? I can't stand your lies. Okay? Damn you! Damn you! Damn your father! And damn that agreement! Then you better do it in there.
What?
Look, then you better realize.
Say something.
Go and tell incompetent buffoon daddy that we need our houses and our lands back. Damn! I'm sick and tired of all this bullshit.
Sisi, you would definitely hear from us.
I'm giving you 48 hours to pay my money back. You understand what I mean? Hey, Krachi, me ya misika. Okay? France. You're right.
I don't want to sit. I don't want to sit that.
Are you okay?
This girl's making me go highly scintillated. I mean highly morosed. That you wouldn't believe, sir, Obana Pim and you crash. Cecilia. Nah, get away, go away, bullshit. It's damn. Russia, Puerto Rico, all these girls that I left them because of this. It's okay. Please don't.
Francis, you're talking about Cecilia.
Of course, Dad. Of course. Who again?
Look, man. Men are Are you listening to me? Now, me be a good say you get married to that girl. So what's your problem? Huh?
Dad, would you believe this girl is dating one carpenter guy? I mean, she calls it her boyfriend, a carpenter. Dad, this is so bad, man. I just can't imagine. I paid $3,200 for my ticket to get here, all because of this fucking girl that I fucking so much love.
Now listen, you listen. Sure, in this life, there's a saying: say if you want to go fast, you go alone. But if you want to go far, you go with somebody. Thank God you have someone like him around you. You understand what I'm saying? So what's your problem? Master, do you know the hell I went through before I got married to your mother? Can you do me a favor? I'll be traveling tonight, and I hope you are aware. Just fix a date for your wedding and how much you're going to spend. When I return, it's a done deal. You understand what I'm saying? It's a done deal.
Dad, forget about date. Forget about the date. I wanted to spend $20,000 on this girl. Oh. Just imagine. The gown alone, I want to buy for... Oh, man, Dad.
Everything is under control.
I've heard this every day. I've been hearing this every day. Dad, just imagine. The wedding woman, I wanted to...
The flower. And some be ne abotrasem. Indian sir. Eye medical ka ura Francis Masmachro. Makana ho asmachro. Ne nansen oba ha be kan se be kire. Se baba ha bi mpinu mpinsa so a onti wani ma. Yefe. Oba ha twani ma. Ene nante. So yi papa. Me hu se eni panso woni mo. Entra na ma. Tene entra.
Da, say we are in modern world. I mean, and I am for Oba and Maubisa. Oh, me who say, why would I now shout for? No more worry, that way, dear Miss Come on, me making a choice of man. I think saying it will be better.
Cecilia, so modern world, dear, and so how to what are you? No, I'll talk Pabua. No to your school fees because we are in modern world.
Brother, you have the money.
Cecilia, me pata me catch you say money now. O catch me one. And your brapa me boy. And no papa me nya de ka me ho. Me tu sana. Look, Cecilia. Me pata me no be pass. Me your papa. Me ti me fa bonne mota. Dia ye papa na be ma. Na wo so ni be tira. Eti mbodi wanti me nya wo ko fa sabi be me hu bia keke. Eti me na me sa Francis ya ma. O ko na nya ya. E mo bia mo me be ma. Se sa wo meja na ba ko fa de wo pe. No ma be de kwase asem wo via. E na wo ba ko. No anya som fo pe. Vanish. Shonga wo ka je tia. Tonton ne ma. Syria, you man bumfu. Be poye. Be pese be show papa do jira o. What do me ka joro? E tuba wala no.
I don't know when I'm with me making a choice of man. Francis, I can't marry him. I can't marry him, and I don't love him.
You don't love him?
No.
You marry him?
Yes.
Syria. Seven man and I be Roman sister. And I make your place there, be Roman sister. So one Francis there, be Roman sister. Me pop you to be o. Say ho. Na me do not suffer who are now. Now you go to your glory house. May he rest in peace. And one no one be trust. Be Roman sister. bad person me. What bad person? Me so kwese sem so. Me so sem so. Why no person tell boni man ba? Then no be me ba ha. See ya no. That's my baba. Come in say we as minister. There's a maybe you catch some back there. There's a wolf sir. You know better than me. It's okay. So we need some more than Francis now. Who is on the mature better? Since I never see a cop. Okay. And then we'll do a problem. Hey!
What am I main friend? I miss you. Hello, Prince. What is saying? Hi, Julie. I'm about 6. I'm home. Why? My friend, they are going to serious. Matty, why? I'm sure when you. Yeah, bye.
Mr. Fazer.
Sweetheart.
Answer for me, calls.
And one will tell him, said the Prince City.
I said I need the next available flight to US. Hello.
Hey, Francis.
Do you fucking tell me? Fine.
What's wrong with you?
Can you just
Hey, it's okay. Bring your chair. Just bring your chair. What's that? What's the meaning of this?
It's Cecilia. It's Cecilia again. What?
What has she done this time?
I mean, I just need small love. She's not giving me attention. I mean, she's...
Take it easy.
No, I can't take it easy. Julie, just imagine. She's taking my breath. I can't just breathe. I can't breathe.
I'll take that tomorrow and we'll talk about it, okay?
I don't want to cry.
It's okay. You are mad. It's up
I'll
together.
see you.
I'll take you there tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Don't do anything silly.
Okay.
Ebiani. My girlfriend up so worried and some baby, my papa and so grania. Ah, right. Monsieur, only Prince Eddie and one but
Jane.
Yeah.
Me throw a dibi makoma.
Cecilia.
O se makoma. Se man hwe yi a akofa afum so biama. Na wona e yo yonko a me hu se wona ne koba. Se me makana yi a o so ne nkasa. Me nche wasebo. Me ne abrantie bi adi kasa wo so saa amofi America ba. Abrantie so nyese bi o abrantie bi akeke. Ne papa no yem yonko. Ne papa ne din sa wo so saa no so wo papa ma. Nam so ne na me so me wo baba. Se di si yonko fo die. Ne nkola no so nware. Na bibia na iden na kafi ya. Umfi. Abrantie so ba lu kura ni nku na fi bi ni ko. Abrantie wo adwuma ye wo bichi. Jane. So wouldn't so pretend to catch them in Fitiasiano. Many a bench yakasm will feel a mark a ticket back. Who be doing watching I be or Buffy Basin Premium Prince. Buffy Macas won't to any more. Bah! Me pacho. No, a beer. None cassa or better. And tell my friend.
Papa, mean Chowan. Asimwe ma ka sechna ena Cecilia beti ase dia minim na wonim oho
woni ho okam so kuku
we sure
kuku ni fi
me wonim me ka asim bia me ka chesem nam kan papa we men kan
me true for di nakasa
men kan yo ubeti di say uba Cecilia any boy bi carpenter ni boy bi na ife ni menu no Papa, menu ni papa ya so penny o Pentecost. Menu
carpenter.
Oba no carpenter ni no akwo ze ye twen so obewu no ayefuna daka no de watum.
Carpenter. Macau, some the carpenter, so I ain't a draw the minim.
Intimate Baba, I won't find my say. Or brother boy, carpenter.
Carpenter. Papa also ye be found because I knew Quasen would be campusing. So why listen ya would DBS na carpenter in a year was what? Papa, then queen. Carpenter. Carpenter.
A simple carpenter.
Carpenter.
What's a carpenter?
Carpenter.
Best 5 minutes. We'll send me one appointment.
Very busy girl.
I'm saying I'm a person who knows income, but the way I now hear me pen, I'm not who send me.
Not a dozen.
I say, I can't be a papa and me to say. What's it saying? Wow, see, and na down for big boss a day. Oh, Fia Brochaba, na a person be worry me, and also there too many. Can you imagine?
And I can't say.
It's obvious. What do you expect? Because it means me worry about because many men go out.
You're right. Cecilia, are you serious, pa?
I'm serious. What is it?
Nanya mia bois. No way you whole bugger mouth so worry now. What's the open wine?
I didn't hear.
Hey, Cecilia, now that's not okay.
No one names many men who call. Obi a more serious boyfriend. Many bugger and call out for what?
Wine. Wine the man. One of you wanted that Ben go free here. Hospital Ben your wound. Man, carpenter, your way proof.
That's I'm now.
No one behaves and you'll behave. Obi a yen bugger. A whole bugger. I will be say one. What's one man? Hey,
when you saw wine, my papa.
Oh dear.
It's a man notice a saying out to me for auntie a
man were wine. What is man? See, if you have to remember be prepared, what you are seeing when you be interested in the man.
There is no way I meet me a giant on my worry burger. Listen, Sabo gets now home Ghana Hasano. A hunjo. Be prena worry abroad for a quintu. Ebi you know me and son and nine. One more banner be who Ghana for man on per se. One best swam on Mojamo comedy. I mean, Pino with Semikawaneko. Semikawaneko.
And a year day. And a year day, Kawaye the 2 plates to carry. Mammy can't show winning. And the girls now, but the bishop up for warm. Set it. No more Kujna, a Kotoka International Airport. Ye chance Boga Beba no be poem. Now, oh dear, when you're just is this year, oh, fear no be peer. Oh, come on, Manako.
What down for me with serious boyfriend. Because Boga be a bantin, mean Jai me boy, and I'm not to make a family. Listen, men who they meet a year with them, I mean, Kojam.
Just a me catch yourself a Boga.
Listen, just only me papa Jay back when you
that's what was them. I come in on your pay.
What I am going to make Kojam. Who names a carpentry no, and I obey furniture.
And the 20 years as now I can adapt to say, or be or 2 or bomb pies will be the woman I have another come on for papa.
Okay, Boga. Yes, in Peboga.
2 years sure pass young whip. Young paper. Mammy Musem Nasa, oh, yeah, Jimmy Cacatu. Mimi was for me a mouth.
Send him a pen, man, who said, if you were not good enough. The table never not old cheer, but the saw no cheer. I don't want to fall in. Oh, saying this time.
Your work for my country. Winnie, I don't know. What are you thinking?
I mean, once I want to make Papa Jay. Mentimasi.
No, but many jail. Young poor, and say you turn a Gianni Abon. And say you turn. It's Japani, I'm born. Anything you toss one cup pebble and many $1 Nibian near. Me know your view. I'm telling you, men pebble say.
What the bugger is Bugger and a year.
Bugger and a year, BB. Bugger, $80.
Come on, go down. My dollar, yeah. I'm meaning to
just some number of account.
Listen,
men want me for Uncle Sish.
My luck came in mind. Men. Sweetheart, Jane, drive safely. Bye-bye.
Me papa say me worry boga. Madam for some minutes so say me worry boga. Dear na bogas ho. Omo Jerry Kells na say den ne wo say me ka che men no pe Jerry Kells bi. Anana ene mayo abon pe bogas a. De manije me carpentry man ho why.
Cecilia! And then we who put them side? Cecilia! And the carpenter! Carpenter! Come on, carpenter! My prime. Oh, that's what you're here. And we are saying, okay, the good number here. Okay, the good number here. Cecilia!
Sister.
Carpenter! And then grocery! Men play carpenter! Carpenter! And carpenter in water! Open your body! And then get and go! Every second! What your body? Carpenter, you want to go! What a carpenter, you want to go! Oh God!
Dance carpenter ni onye nipa. Carpenter ni onye nipa da.
E do nipa bia na man kramai. O di nipa bia na we akoban kramai.
Da me catcho. Francis na nya da me ware ne aware ne china. Menu na me pen. So ye carpenter ono na me pen. Me ware Francis ne wa. Boka na ye den. Boka na ye den. Carpenter na ye den. Ana carpenter na ye den. Muda kama zuwa. Wonderful that comes from nurses! Nurses! Me! Empower me! I give a woo over my dead body! I'm ashamed of you! Very ashamed! Disappointment! Cecilia! Oh, God! Dear, oh, yes, the carpenter in Fasoni is so. Who then won't know where to me as a son? I have for a woman. And then I want more near to say you need.
The carpenter woman! Shumamati! Carpenter Fuare! No Masidani! Carpenter Fuare! No Moka! Come on, Massacre! It's my one, my yes in it.
Da, me catch from what? There is no way I make Jaimen. No, Uncle Fabuka. No, because I am in love with men. Men was so, I don't know, Carpenter Niba, I prefer say.
What masre? What masre? La ilaha. Carpenter. Oh. Cecilia, between Yakopon. Carpenter you know. Obe obola ne ka dem ansan me du ho me na me ka kire wo. Wani picture bi o ha. Carpenter ni opese mama no. Captain has not to harm or not to harm. Yes, I say by. Yes, I say by. When you said your mother, I can't want them. But you offer them the quality. Yenabe, Shim, Yenabe, Kosiano. Me, I. Mamma, one up.
Yeah, Assasia by Assassi, Shebibi, Sikani Bredo, Wafanti. Asase odokodi odawa ye asase abai asase hwebribiye sikani bredo wa fenti asase odokodi odawa